What's good, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and we are back with another reaction video. Today we're going to be reacting to 20 luckiest people caught on camera. So we're going to be reacting to 20 people who just so happened to have a good strike of luck that day. But God said,
it ain't time for you to come home yet.
I need you to get your stuff together. But alright guys, we're finna go ahead and react to this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel to be in the loop when we post more videos. Huh? I had like a brain space.
Anyways, as the retarded person was saying, she was saying make sure you gotta like and subscribe to this video so that you guys can, you know, be the first one to get notification from our video. What are you doing? Oh, you need chopsticks? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, we finna be snacking on this video today. Ooh! What is it over there?
Nothing else, that's all I got.
So yeah, make sure you gotta like and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell on, and you know what I'm saying? She said by the time the 20th of this people caught on camera, we're gonna dive right into it. No more, you know what I'm saying? So let go. What happened?
You up here? Alright, come on guys, we're gonna go ahead and react to this video. I'm about this thing.
There we go. Right here. Don't go. Don't go.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, ooh, he jumped good. Boy, that was a good jump. And he started making on the phone like, what's up, bro? I just jumped this bike, you know what I'm saying? Ha.
I forgot, overload the camera. I forgot that shit was playing.
Oh. Oh my god, yo, this shit my man so much. Babe, that thing, boy, that thing would have skinned you alive.
Damn.
Yo, oh my gosh.
That boy lucky.
Ooh, you have to turn around. Alright now. What happened?
You should have saved that.
He needs to practice a little bit more on these skates.
What?
Oh, he saved it. Like he was all the way over here and it almost went in. Oh! Oh! Okay, Spider-Man.
God's on your side. God.
Bam. But maybe that y'all think that was staged. It looked a little too good. What's that? Oh!
What is that? That's real?
Yo, he was almost dinner.
That's real?
Yes.
What would you call that?
What is that, like a seawell? I mean, not a seawell, but I don't know.
Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Ying!
Oh! Baby, baby, baby! Girl!
I bet it's a good day to die.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! Get it, get it, get it! Oh my god!
I thought it was in like a hill or something.
Dang! Something happened. Oh, he gotta knock all those down? I thought he had to avoid. Oh, that drone almost got him.
Lucky.
Dang. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh!
Oh, so we're just gonna keep recording like something?
Yo, he look like he too used to that. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm in my right. Yo, those things are slipping.
I'm not sure if the music is copyrighted. That's why I muted it, guys.
Yeah. Yo. Ooh, almost got that leg. He almost got that leg. Almost got that leg.
What am I doing down there? I mean, you cannot pay me any money in the world to be done.
Oh, shit. Whew. Wait. Okay, what is that? What is that? Was that a bomb?
Hold it.
Okay, you know what? Ooh, dang.
I know he almost pissed his fans.
Oh!
I'm like this, baby.
Yo, is it still there?
I'm like this. I'm like this.
Oh, boy, that almost had him. That almost had him.
Mm.
Ooh.
What kind of turn is that right there?
Exactly. What is that? Oh, dang. And he taking pictures. And still trying to, Lord Jesus. Jesus, take the wheel.
I'm not doing that, like, for
Oh,
a
that
picture.
stuff coming down. Oh, that rock. You seen that rock?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, boy.
That rock came from way over there.
Yes.
Wow. You're trying to get shit short.
No, it's somebody in there, huh?
Oh, that's that thing. That's actually real.
Girl. Oh, it's bleeding. Oh.
Did it? Are they trying to catch it or somebody was in there?
No, somebody was in there. I'm telling you, somebody was in there.
That's it. We're going home. We go home.
Man.
We are going home. That's it. We suing them people, and we are going home.
You can't pay me enough to be in a cage to let a doggone shark try to get me. No. I don't care.
I'm good.
I don't care what kind of vacation
I'm
we
good,
on.
cuz.
Nah. But alright guys, that's gonna be the end of that reaction. That was a short little reaction. Yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Oh, comment down below what other videos you guys want to see. I already know you guys are gonna comment some artists and stuff like that. We're gonna get to that, but I said in the previous video. Copyrights are real over here. Oh, he just gone. You didn't ask me if I was done though. You didn't ask me if I wanted to see anything else. You're not cute. Your edges are saying, get me off the camera. Your edges are saying, get me off the camera right now.
Exactly.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You guys say, man, comment down below any other videos you guys want to see.